welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I'll say welcome. Other than that, let's get started. Today I'm gonna be unboxing. It's gonna be an unboxing video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a perfume bottle. So I'm gonna be unboxing, and yeah, let's get straight to the video. Okay, first we have this is the only one, but okay, we have this here. This one is Miss Dior by Dior. This one is called Bouquet. Let's see how it smells. I don't know, they didn't come with the outside packaging, so I was surprised. I thought that it was like, what? Somebody already used it or something? But nope, it is all full apparently, I guess. And when you open the package, they have like this thingy, right? And then you just open it like this. And then here comes the pretty part. Wow, look at that. Isn't it pretty? Okay, I'll leave the box somewhere. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Okay, here is Miss Dior. There you go. Okay. To open this, Dior, you better not make. Why do you make something so hard to open like this? Come on, you cannot be serious with this. Oh, huh, I got it. Why is it so tight? But anyway, when you there you go, and then you just have to forcefully open it. For me at least. But here it is. This is a cover, and this is hold on. This is the thing. Okay. This one is 3.4 fluid ounce. So that's how much you get. Although I feel like it's little for me, because usually I'm the type of person that spray perfume like shoo all over me, like but I had a great feeling that I should use little at a time for this, because you know, expensive perfume, they last all day long. The smell, it lasts all day long on you, so you don't need to worry about having to like respray again and again. But since this is expensive, I'm gonna use little by little. I don't want to use that much. But let's test it and see how it smells. I usually don't like spraying perfume on skin, but then it is said, people said spray the perfume on skin. I always thought I had to spray perfume on clothing only. Well, let's see this. Okay, let's first try, second try. Ha! There you go. I hate that. I don't hate the smell. I just hate the touch of the perfume on my skin. That's all. Oh, this is so nice. You know what? I ordered this online, so I wasn't sure about the smell, but this is pretty nice. This one is Miss Dior, the Blooming Bouquet. They have other one too. This one have a floral and cooling scent. If you like warm, there's also the scent for like those warm feeling also, and earthy feeling. But I prefer cooling and floral and fresh sensation over the warm, because I don't know, I just like this. But this smells really great, like really great. This smells so good. I should spray a few more. Okay. Okay, that happened. But anyway, people said to spray around the neck and the paws because that's where the warmest place is. They just spray perfume on the warmer place, and they said that the scent stays strong and longer. I don't know. I have never sprayed perfume on skin, so like it's kind of weird. But it is this. Again, it's this. It's this one. This one. Okay. There is not much for this video today. It's just this. And that's the end of the video. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little fun of spraying on perfume and trying on new perfume. Other than that, peace out, and I'll see you in the future.